finishing up, man. You see it, looking good, color matched up real good. Bam, real good. But you see that thing, it's a slider, low, man. Slider, looking real good, man. Looking real good, man. Got a few things I need to put this side marker light, and I need to plug up this headlight. I ain't have it plugged up. But other than that, man, we out. You know my motto: go forward, man. Just go forward and move forward. You know, leave all the negativity in the back of you and keep going. That's all I can tell you, man. I'm going forward, man. Going forward. That's where we going. Every time. Don't even look back at the track, all the problems, man. Just look at the success, man. Look at the success, man. You see the clear on there laid down nice. You can see the glare from the light everywhere. Look at it. Look at it, man. You know, but all I tell you is, like I say, go forward, move forward. Don't let nobody pull you backwards, man. Anything you can do, man. Anything you doing in life, man, just do it the best you can, man. Go for it. The more you do it, the better you get, you know. And if you ain't getting better, then it's time to think about something else.